What's up, everyone? I'm back at it again. In the previous video, we've covered month zero, and of course, that's the cutoff month. You have to have 80% so that you can proceed. So, if you proceed, you're just going to be given more C tasks. So, you're going to be, introduced to some C and recursion, static libraries. You're going to be given like C arguments, C memory allocation. You're also going to be given like professional social presence. This just like the soft skills they're trying to inculcate in you. But majority of the projects are in C. You're gonna do malloc, preprocessors, structures, type def, function pointers, variadix, singly linked lists. And in this month is actually my experience was actually felt it was a bit challenging for me. Month zero is quite much of a breeze. I can say it's challenging, not in a way like I wasn't able to do things, but in terms of like managing time and also like content, consumption, was actually it was pretty much a bit challenging on my end because I had to internalize a lot. And this is the month that they give you like a major project, has a weight of 5, so it's a C printf. So in a nutshell, C has like a print function. It's called a printf function that you're going to be that not even going to be you're going to be building it. So printf, what it does is it outputs things on the you're using it to print things, like show things. Let's say, for example, you're creating like an application, not even an application, a mini, like you're creating like you have a small algorithm that does something and you need it to output some data. So you're going to use printf to like output the data that the function does. So in this case, ALX wants you to create your own printf function, given all the knowledge of C that you've done. So you're going to develop it in C. So it's a major project which has a weight of 5. And this was the first, I can say this is like, I got my welcome to ALX moment here because you have to learn how to like structure your files, structure your project files, everything. You have to learn how to have a consistent workflow to do things. So this was actually it was quite challenging for me because I was not used to like how projects worked here. But from this, I was able to like get some knowledge on how to plan my work. So, and every month there's an evaluation. So you learn so much in month one, and then you have like that project that you're supposed to do, which has a weight of 5. So it's actually not that challenging if I look back at it, because right now I'm 6 months in. So when I look back at the printf project, I feel like it was actually one of the easiest projects, and we'll get to that because I've done a lot of I've done a lot of ALX projects that are major in my time there, and moving forward as well. So this was actually one of those projects that I just woke me up a bit, and I was able to like know how to do things. And hopefully, down the road, I can be able to like give an analysis on what you need to do and what you need to do, so I can be able to like do that. But overall, month one, you have to be prepared. You have to be braced for it. You have to brace for like a lot of knowledge being accumulated, because that's the month that things become quite challenging if you don't like plan your work well, and if you work with things in isolation, especially in month one, you're going to be flooded with a lot of technical debts, because you'll know how to do things. You'll know how to do things, but when you come to like implementing, it becomes difficult. So you have to go back. So you have to create like a system in such a way that you're able to like know what you need to do, what you not need to do, and create like a routine. So the routine is supposed to be inculcated in month zero. So you have to make sure that your routine and your mannerisms and the way you like do your work in projects is ironclad, so that when you're moving forward, you'll be able to any challenge, any bump and grind that you get, you're able to like tackle it. So that's what month one it involves that. So yeah, it's doable. I passed it, and I was able to like learn a lot from it. And the knowledge that I got here was actually the core knowledge that you're going to be using moving forward. So yeah, so if you guys like the video, make sure to leave a feedback. I'll come and follow it up with month 2 of ALX, and please be sure to stay tuned. And I'm out. Peace.